guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Flee the Facility, and I'm going to be playing with my friend. I don't know how she changed her name. Her name was Blue Flexer 2, but now she changed her name to My Little Pony. Okay, now it's actually time to vote, which is good. Okay. Okay, I want to buy one of these. I mean, I bought 3 of them. I got one Galaxy Cloud, now I have 2 of them. I got the Mothership. I'm really happy about the Mothership. And then I got a Stratus. I want the Corruption or the Zeno, the Nebula. I don't know what it's called. It looks cool. Then I want to buy one of these. That's what the Galaxy Cloud is. What's the alien? Oh, that's for the Mothership. I really want the alien. Okay, we need to save up a lot if we want to get it. Oh, I'm Survivor. I'm Survivor, guys. Oh yes, I found a computer. Hopefully the beast doesn't start there. Oh, I found someone. Cool. Oh, I hear the beast. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. We can keep hacking. Yeah, they left. The beast. The Bob Master 1361. The Bomb Master. Okay, we're almost done hacking this computer, and I think I know where another one is. We're gonna go upstairs. A computer here, then we're gonna hack from here. Please tell me there's a computer. Let's go. Okay. Bro, can this thing go any faster? I am not patient. It's a good thing because he doesn't mess up. Okay, we're almost. Oh no. That's not good. That's not good. Oh my god. Run! 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 No! No! No, shoot! Shoot! Oh my god. Oh god! No! What? How did she get me? I was under the damn table. No! There's a cage here. What? Are you kidding me? This bomb master, come save us, please. We're dying! If he doesn't save us, then he's really mean. Yeah, he's not gonna come and save us. I'm mad. I'm really mad. Oh! Shoot. He got captured, that's why. Well, GG's, guys. GG's. She was good. She has the alien. Lucky ducky. I hope what map we're gonna choose next. Oh, Homestead. Homestead. Nope. Homestead. Oh. Jeffrey Bezos. Come on, Jeffrey, you can do it. Sorry, it's stuck in my head. Don't judge me, guys. Camp Lapis. No. This one. It has to be this one. I don't like Abandoned Prison. I like it, but it's dark. Yes, it's Homestead. Let's go. We're the beast. We're the beast. We're the beast. We're gonna capture them all. Neem, neem, neem. Born in 1964, Jeffrey Bezos. Oh, that was really easy actually. Golly. And I saw a computer over there. Oh. Yes, I got this girl. This girl's so annoying. Give me. What the hell? Finally. They're all camped on that side. Well, I'm taking her to this side. Yes, I got her. Yes, sir. It's really dark. It's fine, I won't take her. I'll take this girl though. She's fun. Oh, I got her! What? How did I not hit her? There you go. Let her die, man. Let her die. Dude, she's worthless. Yes. Hmm. Shoot. No! Yes, I got him. You know what? I'm gonna put him up. So it'll be harder. Now all we need is Kate. Kate! Where are you, sweetie? No Kate in sight for Bob. She saved her. She saved him. Oh, those little pesky little idiots. Bob! He's going to die. And I saw where Kate was going, so he died. Yes. Come on. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you again with another one. Bye! Oopsies. Bye guys!